Hello, thank you for being here today. I am thrilled to speak to you about a concept that is both ancient and incredibly relevant in today's fast-paced business world. Today we talk about zero or shunya as a business concept, focusing on cultivating an open mind that lives in the present moment. The concept of zero or shunya has its roots in ancient Indian philosophy and mathematics. It symbolizes emptiness, potential, and the infinite. In the context of business, embracing the idea of zero can lead to innovative thinking, adaptability, and a more mindful approach to decision-making. Let's explore how adopting the principles of zero can transform our professional lives and businesses. This profound concept of shunya or zero in Zen philosophy, which has originated from the word dhyan. Shunya, often translated as emptiness or zero, is a cornerstone of Zen thought that carries deep spiritual significance. In Zen, shunya is not about nothingness or void. Instead, it represents the infinite potential and interconnectedness of all things. It is the space where all possibilities exist, the ground from which everything arises and to which everything returns. This concept challenges our conventional understanding of existence and non-existence, urging us to see beyond dualities. Shunya teaches us that our perceptions and ego-driven thoughts are merely illusions. By embracing emptiness, we can free ourselves from the attachments and judgments that cloud our true nature. It encourages us to let go of preconceived notions and be fully present in the moment, experiencing life as it truly is. In practical terms, shunya invites us to approach life with an open mind and heart. It is about being receptive to the present moment, free from the constraints of past experiences and future anxieties. This state of openness allows us to respond to life's challenges with clarity and wisdom, rather than reacting out of habit or fear. Meditation is a key practice in Zen to cultivate an awareness of shunya. By sitting in stillness and observing our thoughts without attachment, we can begin to experience the profound emptiness that underlies all existence. This emptiness is not a void but a source of boundless creativity and compassion. Welcome to So True Business at the Big Network. Please do like, subscribe, and share this video so that we are able to bring you high-quality business content on a weekly basis. Please also do see the video to its end, as it will bring you valuable inputs to think about and do contribute to the channel, which will help us keep reinventing ourselves and improving the quality as we go along this journey. Now let's move on with the video. The power of zero or shunya. Zero or shunya is often misunderstood as representing nothingness or the absence of value. However, it is much more profound. In mathematics, zero is a powerful number that can change the value of other numbers, enabling complex calculations and advancements. Similarly, in business, zero represents a state of openness, potential, and infinite possibilities. Openness to new ideas. Embracing zero means having an open mind. It is about letting go of preconceived notions and being receptive to new ideas and perspectives. In business, this openness can lead to innovation and creativity. When we approach challenges with a mindset of zero, we are not constrained by past experiences or biases. Instead, we see opportunities where others see obstacles.
Hi, I'm Raj Sukheja, a specialist in finance and a business consultant with over 35 years of international experience and a published author of several books available both online and offline. Welcome to my channel at So True Business, where you will learn to become better with every video.
Potential for growth. Zero symbolizes potential. Just as a seed has the potential to grow into a tree, an idea nurtured with an open mind can grow into a successful venture. In business, recognizing the potential in new ideas, markets, and technologies is crucial for growth and success. By adopting a zero mindset, we can identify and seize opportunities that others might overlook. Infinite possibilities. Zero represents infinity. In business, this means that the possibilities are endless. When we adopt a zero mindset, we are not limited by current realities or constraints. Instead, we are free to explore new avenues, experiment with new approaches, and innovate continuously. Living in the present moment. Another essential aspect of the zero concept is living in the present moment. In today's fast-paced business environment, it's easy to get caught up in past successes or future uncertainties. However, true success lies in being fully present and mindful in the current moment. Mindfulness and focus. Living in the present moment means being mindful and fully engaged in the task at hand. In business, this translates to better focus, improved decision-making, and enhanced productivity. When we are mindful, we are more attuned to the needs of our customers, the dynamics of our team, and the opportunities in the market. Adaptability and agility. The present moment is ever-changing. By living in the now, we become more adaptable and agile. In business, this means being able to respond quickly to changing market conditions, customer preferences, and technological advancements. An open mind that lives in the present is not bogged down by past failures or rigid plans but is flexible and responsive. Reduced stress and improved well-being. Stress often arises from dwelling on past mistakes or worrying about future uncertainties. By focusing on the present moment, we can reduce stress and improve our overall well-being. In business, a healthy and balanced mind is more creative, productive, and effective. Mindfulness practices such as meditation and deep breathing exercises can help cultivate a present-focused mindset. Applying the zero concept in business. Now that we understand the power of zero and the importance of living in the present moment, let's explore how we can apply these principles in our business practices. Innovation and creativity. Encourage a culture of openness and creativity in your organization. Foster an environment where new ideas are welcomed and experimentation is encouraged. Embrace the concept of zero by letting go of rigid structures and allowing space for innovation. Remember, some of the most groundbreaking innovations have come from thinking outside the box and challenging the status quo. Customer-centric approach. Adopt a zero mindset in your approach to customer service. Be fully present and attentive to your customers' needs and feedback. By being open and responsive, you can build stronger relationships and deliver exceptional value. Remember, a satisfied customer is often the best advocate for your business. Agile leadership. As a leader, embody the principles of zero by being adaptable and open-minded. Encourage your team to embrace change and view challenges as opportunities for growth. Lead by example by practicing mindfulness and staying focused on the present moment. An agile and present-focused leader can inspire and motivate their team to achieve great things. Continuous learning and improvement. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. In the spirit of zero, let go of the idea that you have all the answers. Be open to feedback, learn from your experiences, and strive for constant growth. In business, staying ahead often means being willing to unlearn and relearn. Ethical and sustainable practices. Apply the zero concept to your business ethics and sustainability practices. Be mindful of the impact of your business decisions on society and the environment. Adopt sustainable practices that ensure long-term success and contribute positively to the community. A business that operates with integrity and mindfulness is more likely to build trust and loyalty. Conclusion. In conclusion, the concept of zero or shunya offers profound wisdom for the business world. It encourages us to have an open mind, embrace potential, and live in the present moment. By adopting the principles of zero, we can foster innovation, adaptability, and mindfulness in our professional lives. Remember, zero is not about emptiness or the absence of value. It is about infinite possibilities, potential for growth, and the power of being fully present. In the ever-changing landscape of business, these principles can guide us towards success and fulfillment. As you navigate your professional journey, I encourage you to embrace the zero mindset. Be open to new ideas, stay present in the moment, and continuously seek growth and improvement. By doing so, you can unlock the infinite potential within yourself and your business. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you all the best in your endeavors. Here's to embracing the power of zero and living in the present moment. We hope you loved this video at So True Business, and here's to seeing you again soon. Your feedback is important to us, so please do comment below for any suggestions you may have.